Welcome to Meadow Springs Golf Club, a stunning 18-hole championship course less than an hour's drive from Perth CBD. Today, Braden Becker, the 2021 WA Open Golf Champion, will be showcasing 3 of the club's feature holes to amateur golfers Erina and Neil. With sensational practice facilities, including a full-length driving range and a fully stocked pro shop, there's every opportunity to get your game in gear before heading out onto the course.
We've got the 8th hole here at Meadow Springs Country Club, signature par 3, beautiful hole. I've got 160 metres to the flag today. Surrounded by water, I need at least 145 metres to cover the water. Hopefully with a beautiful swing, we can hit it on the green. Happy to walk away with a par here. Found ourselves in the back portion of this green here. There's a bit of a bowl here, so it's a bit of a collection area. Going to have to putt it back up the tier, so hopefully we can put it up close, take a 2-putt and move on with a par. Perfect leaf. Let's on to the next. Hole 9, we've got 380 metre par 4, very tricky, number index 1 hole. We've got water all the way down the right. We've got bunkers down the left and a very narrow gap for us to hit our tee shot down. We've managed to bring our drive to rest just short of this bunker, which is our target line. Absolutely perfect spot. We've got a pin right in the middle of the green, tucked up against the back of the green. We've got 150 metres. See if we can get something done. To steal a birdie on the hardest hole on the golf course, very happy with that. Finishing hole here at the beautiful Meadow Springs Country Club. We've got a par 5, dog leg left. Ideally, we want to just try and hit our tee shot up over the left trees, avoiding that bunker in the fairway, and hopefully we can put ourselves in a beautiful position to score on this hole and make birdie. We've hit an absolutely perfect tee shot here, down the right side of the fairway. With that little bit of breeze down, it's given us a really good chance of having a good go at this green for 2 on this par 5. See if we can make an eagle here. Absolutely great shot, just long the pin, rolled it right back to pin high. Not quite the eagle, but a beautiful birdie.
My first impressions of this course was amazing. Meadow Springs is a very picturesque course. It's in great condition with challenging greens, and I highly recommend coming down for a game.
Another great course, lots of humps and hillocks, so it's quite challenging, but it's a lot of fun to play. And from what I've seen, just in fabulous condition all the time.
Fantastic golf course here, little hidden oasis in the Peel region, one of many. Make sure you put it on your bucket list, come down and play.